हा 12 पासून वाजोवपाक हांवें म्हणलें कितकोन दिला परमिशन म्हाका तुमकां कॉपी आसा वय पुलिसीक दिला आनी म्हाका वॉट्सॅप केला हांवें पळयला हांवें वाचला फर्स्ट पार्टाचें बरयलां यू कॅन प्ले अप टू 24 hours दॅट मिन्स मिडनायट पूण पेज 2 एक क्लॉज आहा थिंगा इट शॅल नॉट बी प्लेड बियॉन्ड 10 PM. Now this is a catch-22 situation. Organizer can say, first part says this, benefit or doubt oitlo. So I immediately phoned the deputy collector and I said, you have given permission. I have no case or a fight against Club A or Club B or Club C or Sunburn or anybody. I am on a principle of law. If you have to give permission to one, you have to give permission to all. If you don't give permission to that one, you can't give permission to this one. Samjhala, this is very clear, I said. And I said, how did you do it? Because I opposed the Sunburn's permission in the High Court, clearly telling it is not a religious event, it is not cultural, it's not the social event, it is a commercial event. So Deputy Collector told me, I'll check it. He called me back and he said, I'm issuing a corrigendum, and that he issued a corrigendum and reduced the time to 10 o'clock. So right now, outdoor. Now, indoor you don't require any permission. I repeat this to you. It is in the law. You can play throughout the day and throughout the night in indoor. When it's outdoor, you require the permission, and that can be only up to 10 o'clock. So as of now, as your question was about Sunburn, Sunburn, I have, to my knowledge, I have not got any permission which they have applied for, because there is now order in Sunburn case is an order of the court. So if they want to get permission, they'll have to move the court for it. And then the government will have to explain what are the special circumstances after having taken a thoughtful policy decision earlier not to grant the permission. What is now the thought process, what changed, and what are the reasons and justification to change it and now to allow it, is what the government will have to justify. We will of course be in the court to answer that. But right now, I don't want to go on rumors. I will not go on this kind of aaj jata, file jata. I'm telling you, it's all party WhatsApp and solota. Sometimes phone calls out of people phone me out of fear also. But I'm cool and I'm relaxed because I believe it has to be only by an order of the court. Thank you.